Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the video file format output in OBS Studio. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left and select Settings. Select the Output option on the left side, and then on the right side underneath Recording Format, click on the drop-down, and you can select FLV, MP4, MOV, MKV, TS, or M3U8, and then you would select OK. That's all you have to do, and then you would select OK, and that's it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.